Hey everybody, it's me Denise with Lily Pop Love. Yeah, we look kind of bad today, like extra worse, because my friend's over here and she won't say nothing. Because we're trying to sew today. We got off early and we're trying to sew, so she don't want to be on here. Y'all know what I look like. We gotta do what we gotta do and seriously sew, and we gotta be pretty. All right, so today's 21. If you're new here, we're opening the box with Jenny. We watch her open the box because that's what she wanted and that's what we do. And we're on 21. And this, I'm not sure if this is breakable or I don't know what it is. But we're going to find out. So let's listen to Jenny, see what she's wearing, what earrings we got going on. Only 4 more days, guys. Only 4 more days. Oh no, oh no.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 21, and it is a wonderful day to be looking in our box. So let's see what we have in our Christmas celebration box. Day 21.
Okay,
let's see.
Jenny.
Nope.
I really like that sweater.
Oh, there it is right there. Let's see what this is. What fun thing do we have today? Look at this. Look how cute this is.
Oh, it's a tan.
So this is sticky notes for you. You know how much we use sticky notes when we're putting on our rows and our quilting and all that. And we want to remember where this pattern is and all that. But let me open this up and show you. So first you have this darling little case, which I love. And then these are sticky notes right here. And you know, you can peel them off and they stick, but they also have a magnet on the back. So they actually stay in here in place.
On your refrigerator.
They don't go anywhere. You have tiny ones. If you need tiny ones, they're so cute. You know who's going to steal these tiny ones from me? Cherry's going to steal these tiny ones from me. Look how cute that is. And you can make a tiny little list if you want to. I love these. So these are fun little stationary ones. So they have magnets on the back, so you can stick them on your fridge. You can actually, if you have a metal machine, you can stick them on your machine so that you have the notes that you need. And you can just do, you know, whatever you want to with them. I often reuse the magnets on the back for my pictures. When the grandkids send me pictures, you know, I'll put that on so I can stick it on my fridge. So this is a notable gift. So please take note of what a fun gift this is for day 21.
Ah, that was cute. So yay. I really like this. This is super cute. Now I know why it felt so funny. This is this feels plastic though, so if you have it, you might want to be careful because I can see that popping out pretty easy. I don't know, maybe not. It just feels like I don't know. Not plastic. Well, I guess it is plastic, but that I don't know. But that's a nice tin. You can use it to put other things in if you want. I like this because this is going to go right by my work desk. And I will probably put on there my settings that I need to go back and forth with and stick it, because right now it's an ugly yellow sticker and this is a pretty sticker. So we'll do that instead. All right, so we're going to tell you guys bye till next time, till tomorrow. We're going to get back to some sewing and some girl time. And y'all click on my face, wherever it is. Give a like, and we'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.